Clifford Saves the Birds by Norman Bridwell. Wow, Clifford. Clifford's a big red dog. Big red dog. Wait, that's the wrong song. But I love Clifford. So let's read about Clifford, shall we? All right, Clifford. Next one. Let's go, Clifford. Wait a minute. That's not Clifford. That looks like, wait a minute. That looks like my dog. It's big. It's red. Are we sure that's not Clifford? Wait, that's my dog. That's Festus. My dog named Festus. Hi, Festus. How are you? He's smiling. You want to learn about Clifford? You want to learn how he saves the birds? Okay. Well, let's get started. Our neighbors didn't like Clifford. Whoa, look at those neighbors. Ooh, look at their faces. They look grouchy. Can you make a grouchy look? They look, they didn't like Clifford. But they did like birds. See him feeding them? And one day, Clifford saw people working in the neighborhood. They looked in the neighbor's house. Clifford watched. He just watched. See, look at him watching. Ooh. Clifford could see into the neighbor's yard because it's so big. Oh no, the birds were in trouble. What's going on? What's that thing? Oh, it looks like a cat. Meow, meow. Clifford picked up a water pipe and took a deep breath and pulled the cat right out of the yard. That was a very surprised cat. Meow! Now the neighbors like Clifford as much as they like the birds. Now look at the neighbors. They're smiling. They're not grouchy. They're smiling. They're giving him a hug. Oh, Clifford. He's such a good big red dog. Go, Clifford, go. Clifford saved the birds. The end. Whoops. How'd that get in there? That's my dog, Festus. And me. Festus. He's being silly. Oh, are you sticking your tongue out at me? You're goofy. All right. Well, thank you for joining. It's reading Clifford Saves the Birds by Norman Bridwell. Bye.